manufacturing, showing off our new DFC-H5 combination saw and substrate cutter. The saw interchanges with the substrate cutter head for dust-free cutting. 2 pins on top. Remove. Saw head comes right off. Interchanges with our dust-free substrate cutter head. And the key to our dust-free cutter is the clamping. Only when using the dust-free cutter do we use the clamp. It has a rubber surface on the back to hold material in place. Easy installation. Comes right underneath. Pops in. And there, that's installed. And this is your handle to control that clamp. That holds material in place. Position, and it won't move. You can cut ACM, PVC, foam board with our knife cartridge and the 3 blades, so you only make 1 pass. For ACM cutting, got our dual wheel cartridge. For acrylic, we have a scoring cartridge. And that adjusts to the thickness of your plastic, up to a 1/4 inch thick. And then also with ACM, we have the V-grooving cartridge. And that blade pulls right through and you can bend the material into a corner. It slides right into the opening here. And we allow that to float in there. We'll move some dye bond over here. Then this is your sight line to see where the blade is. So we'll put that in there, just let that float, clamp the material in. So these are all the interchangeable heads for our panel saws. You have the dust-free cutting option with the multiple cartridges. We have a router attachment, that could be for V-grooving. We have the saw for the standard panel saw, and then a dedicated knife kit.